What's going on here?
I'm taking stuff out.
Ew.
Dad, look inside. Dad, look inside mine.
How is it? Oh, look at that square hole.
Getting all the seeds out. Girls, there's some on your arms.
Look at all the seeds in there.
Ew!
Oh, gross.
Yuck! Ew. Dad, look at it. Dad, look at this.
Throwing it everywhere.
Let me see. It did work. Your style
Wow.
looks better. Yeah.
It worked. Jack-o'-lanterns.
It was good.
It was good. Eleanor?
I don't like the light.
Joseph, how was it?
Fun.
Was it fun? Show me. Tell me about your lantern right here. What are all the parts that we put on there?
The eyes, the eyebrows, the nose.
Where is it? Where's the face? Frightening. And then
This is yours, and you take it off.
ooh, it's
And
like,
then you put
ooh.
it back on.
That one. What happened to that one?
When I was carrying it drafted it flooded.
Oh, okay. Well, we turned it into something cool. Okay. Eleanor, tell us me about yours.
Mine's happy.
You have a happy face?
Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
It broke.
It broke. All right, Charlotte, tell me about yours.
So when I got my pumpkin, it got like this. So it kind of makes it scary. So I made pointy eyes. I made a chip, like a chipmunk tooth.
Ooh, that's a silly one. It looks like a happy one. I love it, you guys. All right, let's give me a thumbs up.
Nailed it! Nailed it! Nailed it! Nailed it!